So how does adopting an agile way of working affect your portfolio? So I think the basic idea of agile portfolio management is to prioritize and limit the work to be done. So most companies believe that they have actually a capacity problem. They need to get more stuff done faster. But thinking that way will lead you down a blind avenue. You need to flip the question around and see it as a scope limitation problem instead, because in the long term the work you produce is anyway limited by how many resources you have. So why not accept that fact and work with it?
You focus on balancing demand and capacity, establishing input control, setting WIP limits, and avoiding overburden.
It's about getting a better overview, not by having the most detail, but by having the right information and the right interaction on that.
It's first of all about maximizing value, and in the broader perspective, visualize what's really the best to do for your organization.
Agile portfolio management is about continuously prioritizing all projects and not just fixing the scope, the budget, and the resources.
It helps the decision maker, as well all people involved in a complex project, to understand and comprehend decisions made at any time. Portfolio management is an agile way provides you the possibility to inspect the current portfolio situation, visualize the options available, and support decision-making process in a structured way.
By adopting an agile way of delivering, of working in your organization, you are actually achieving a capability of delivering value in smaller chunks, in smaller increments. And this allows you, or should allow you, to plan your portfolio in a different way.
It is more about changing the organization and less about projects and stickies on a board.
You know what's needed to balance the demand and the capacity, the opportunity and the last responsible time to take decisions.
When you start visualizing your portfolio, it means you realize you have too much. This means you have to make hard choices and focus on the things that are most important, so you can deliver them to your customers faster.
And the best way to use your agile capability, the one you are investing now to build up your effective team, is just looking at how small can you make the packages that you're going to release to the market in order to have a shorter cash flow and return on investment. And this is achieved normally by avoiding having large big bang releases and just focusing on smaller increment of value that you can deliver in shorter interval.
You don't get more done by working on several products in parallel. You actually get less done.
You switch from prioritization to selection, select what to do next, what to finish next, and pooling work only when capacity and capabilities are available.
And at the end of the day, by adopting a shorter release cycle on a portfolio level, you are actually shortening the lead time of a business request to the market by encouraging a higher collaboration between business and development department, and ultimately by fulfilling expectation in terms of service level agreements, and at the same time delivering with higher quality.